So we're going to start by marinating the chicken. So I've taken 300 grams of boneless chicken breast. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander or dhania powder, salt to taste. Then I'm going to add half a cup of yogurt or dahi, the juice of half a lemon, and I'm going to mix everything well and marinate it for at least 1 hour. Now after 1 hour, I'm just going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan, and I'm going to fry these pieces of marinated chicken really well. So just keep turning them, after every minute on the side, and they have to be really nice and cooked. So this should take you about 10 minutes. Now in another pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add 1 large onion which I've chopped fine. I'm going to saute this till the onion is nice and translucent. Then I'm going to add about once the onion is nice and fried, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and again fry it. And then the puree of 1 medium-sized tomato. All I've done is taken the tomato and just pureed it in my mixer. Then I'm going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder and just saute everything really well. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of dhania or coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and then I'm just going to add the chicken pieces which we fried to the bagar. Mix everything really well. And then I'm going to add half a cup of water. Again, saute everything nicely. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed kasuri meethi. Just crush them between the palm of your hands and just add them. Again, mix everything well. And now we're just going to cover and cook this on a low flame for about 8 minutes. On a very, very low flame till everything nicely comes together. Again, mix everything really well. And now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. And this is just the cream that is, which we get with our regular milk. Or if you have fresh cream at home, you can just speed it up and add that too. And then we're just going to garnish it with some chopped coriander, and our chicken tikka gravy is all ready. And we love to have it with, rotis or naan. They taste really, really good.
Friends, I hope you like today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.